letincwadzi leti tine babhali bakhona, and actually it's a list of people in the expertise of Siswati language, and also other professions, and they are put together through different phases like research, zokuthi bathole all the words together to formulate a dictionary.
Okay.
So he's one of the people that are doing the research behind putting these books together. Yeah. But
Okay.
it's something that takes a long time to put together. And, sinabo writers like Obabe Kubudla Malenzisa, who's one of the editors of the book. And Dr. Lubisi, Mafika Lubisi. At the end of the day, they're promoting literacy, they're promoting Utsibani Bafunzi, and the Utsibadi Utsilana, Mpumalanga, Mubad Laba publishing my book.